Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your login devices for your Trello account. For example, if you'd like to find out on which of your devices you're currently logged in with your Trello account. For example, to log out or to remove your Trello account from these devices if needed. So let us get started right away. So what you want to do in the first step is head over to Trello, of course. Make sure that you're logged in with your account. And here inside your account, simply click on that profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings here. And inside your account settings, make sure that you scroll down till you get to this section of your settings here, sessions. And below that, you will see that button, Manage Your Recent Devices. So click on it, and after that, you will be given access to a list of all of your associated or linked devices here. Currently, I'm logged in only with one device, with a computer. Here you see, for example, the application you're using, like the web browser, and so on and so forth, the last activity. And that's how you find out on which devices you're logged in with your Trello account. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and I'll see you guys next time on our channel.